We're finally here! Costa Pacifica. Hey guys, what is up? It's Aika Legaspi and welcome back to my channel. So today, I am in Baler and we spent 6 hours just to get here, and I'm so excited to show you guys what we're gonna do here, the food we're gonna eat, everything we're gonna do. So yeah, if you wanna see how my Baler experience goes, please keep on watching. So right now, we are in the shuttle of Costa Pacifica. I'm so excited because we're finally here. We are in a shuttle because my mom just wanted to see and check out the city first. Oh my gosh! It's my favorite color, the door. Hi, Mom! Hi! Okay, so this is our room. It's so cute and so colorful. So, quick room tour. The bed, TV. This is their washroom. This is a shower. I love it here. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome. Dinner.
Early the next morning,
I'm having tawilis, bacon, and garlic rice. Mom, what are you eating?
Of course, medium cheese, scrambled eggs, and waffles.
And of course, coffee.
1 hour later.
It's so windy. Yo, I got it. My hair's finally like almost dry. We made it. This is the Casalarin Cove. Finally made it here in the Casalarin Cove. This is super nice, super private, super serene. All to ourselves. Wow. Picnic time. Mom, say hi. Hello. Hi, Mom. Mommy's enjoying her spicy,
Dilis.
sweet and spicy dilis.
Harap.
So Mom and I are here in Charlie Does Cafe beside our hotel. Our hotel's just right there. So we're just here. Mom's getting coffee before we eat dinner. So yeah, we might rent a bike. I'm so excited. So these are the bikes my mom and I are renting. The tires don't get butas. Cause look, wow. Finally getting my avocado shake. This place is so cute. This car is their grilling area. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. Let's go, let's eat. Midnight snack. Good morning, guys! It's our last day here and I'm so sunburnt. So this is what I got. This is the tapsilog. And I got a banana shake with chocolate syrup, and Mom got her fave, tocino. Mom, say it. Say it.
Grabe, grabe.
We're done eating. Let's go. We're going to the hanging bridge right now. I can't take it anymore. It's too hot. Going back to our hotel. Okay, guys, get ready. It's a hump. It's a hump. Oh my god. My cam. Finally about to go to the hanging bridge. So excited. Galing dito. I love adventures like this. Butterflies! Oh my gosh! We're crossing. This is the bridge. We're just gonna go to the very end and back. Then we're gonna go home. May mga nagsiswimming pa dun. Ang itim ko na. Sakit. Up there and itchy, but I can't scratch it because it hurts. Pasalubong! Suman buying for our relatives at home. Hey guys, we're home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked and enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and you are loved forever. Bye!